Hey everyone, I had to do this quick video to show you that the TV that I bought is mounted to my wall, and all thanks to my dear friend Anthony Hicks of Precise Communications. He came over and he did this, hung it picture style in a matter of a couple hours. So as you can see, there's no wire showing anything, and you can see how thin the TV is to the wall. It's really great, and I'm so appreciative of Anthony. His company is Precise Communications, and if you need anything related to electronics or security surveillance cameras, everything he does it, and you can find out more about his company from his Facebook page, and I believe he has a website. So look him up, Anthony Hicks. I'm truly appreciative of him. He's my friend, and I just love him for coming over and doing this for me. And I'm so happy that my TV's up, and he hooked my, DVD player and everything to it. And it's HD and 3D, so we'll definitely have to have a movie night. So check out Precise Communications, Anthony Hicks, for all of your electronic needs.